Whenever you go to the beach, does the thought ever cross your mind that you might step on a stingray? Well, believe it or not, the chances of you stepping on one are actually very slim. Good morning, Dr. Council and fellow classmates. My name is Amanda Schmidt, and today is my honor to inform you about stingrays. Today you will learn all about stingrays, from where they live to how they serve a purpose on this earth and in the food chain. According to National Geographic, stingrays are carnivores that live from 15 to 25 years, can grow up to 6.5 feet long, and can weigh up to 790 pounds. In temperate seas, stingrays are typically found in shallow coastal waters. Most of the time, they are dominant, partially buried in the sand, and moving only in response to the tide. Most stingrays swim by swaying their bodies like waves when they feel like moving. Some even flap their sides like wings. The coloring of the stingray often mimics the shading of the seafloor, protecting it from larger rays and dangerous sharks and even other larger predators. All stingrays have something called pectoral fins, which are attached at their head and trunk, form their flattened bodies, and their notorious tail dangles behind. The stingray's mouth, nostril, and gill plates are located on its underside, but its eyes are visible from its dorsal side. The stingray is equipped with electrical sensors, which detect the electrical charges that naturally exist in their possible food. With their jaw teeth, many rays can break apart mollusks like mussels, oysters, and even clams. The spine of the stingray, often known as the barb, can be shaped with sharp points and edges. The venom that may be produced from the underside can be lethal to humans and can continue to be so after the stingray has died. To add to that, according to nature, stingrays come in all different colors, shapes, and sizes depending on its species. There are over 600 different species of stingrays. One of the most common stingrays are the bat rays, which is a type of eagle ray that is usually spotted in the Pacific Ocean. This kind of stingray is easily distinguished from other stingrays because of its distinctive looking facial area and how the wings point at its ends. Another popular type of stingray are the manta rays. These species are practically harmless to humans and other animals. The manta ray can reach nearly 13 feet in length, and can even weigh up to 2 tons. According to Cindy Oldham from Animals Network, a stingray's home range varies depending on its species. Stingrays can be found in all different areas of water, including saltwater and or freshwater. Some species, however, can only survive in saltwater, whereas others can be found in freshwater habitats like rivers. Many can be found in muddy riverbeds, and some can even be found in coral reefs. Being benthic fish, most stingrays reside on or close to the bottom of the ocean. While certain species can be found in open waters, the majority forage and scavenge on the seafloor for food. Certain species have a global reach, existing in almost every ocean on Earth, and some only inhabit a single limited territory and have highly specialized habitats. Most importantly, stingrays, just like any other ocean animal, are essentially the glue that connects higher and lower levels of the food chain, says Jaylene Nicole Myers from The Conversation. Stingrays serve a wider range of habitats by transferring nutrients outside of their feeding areas as both predators and prey. As a result, the ecosystem interactions are strengthened, which is essential to the general stability and health of coastal habitats. Thank you, Dr. Council and fellow classmates. Today you have learned all about stingrays, including the unique traits that they hold, the differences between species, their diverse habitats, and how they interact with each other to keep the food chain stable. Thank you.